Hey everyone, it's Vanessa from Espresso Bella, and today is one of our favorite days of the year, National Espresso Day. For today's video, I'm going to be talking about some of the ways an espresso can be enjoyed. Now, let's get started.
First, you have the classic single shot espresso. If you prefer your espresso to be more concentrated, have a short shot espresso. Or you can have a long espresso. Next, you have a double shot espresso. If you're someone who doesn't drink strong coffee, then you'd enjoy an Americano. An Americano is espresso diluted with hot water. First, you have a macchiato, which is a traditional espresso topped with foam milk. Then you have a cappuccino, which is 3 equal parts of espresso, steamed milk, and foamed milk. Next, you have a latte, which is a shot of espresso, 2/3 steamed milk, and very little foam. Then you have the affogato. The affogato is a scoop of vanilla ice cream drowned in espresso. Then you have the espresso campana, which is an espresso topped with whipped cream.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe below.